Hey guys, my name is Rick Gonzalez, and I have here my friend Benito Comodina,
Hello.
and we're going to give you a quick 5-minute tutorial on how to use EDPuzzle inside the classroom. Now, EDPuzzle is a free and easy alternative assessment tool that utilizes a video-based approach to learning. EDPuzzle is a place where teachers from either the same or different schools can connect and share various video lessons and quizzes. It allows teachers to collect information on their students based on their interactions within the video lessons. So take a quick scroll through the home page here when you log on to EDPuzzle, and just gives you little things they do. It engages students, it saves time as you can select videos from YouTube, Khan Academy, basically all educational resources. And it's also an app, so students and teachers can take it on the go and watch their videos and complete their homework and or assessments on the go. So I'm going to go back to the top here, and we're going to hit login. We've already made an account, so we are the teacher. And it makes it real easy for you. You can hit sign in with Google right here, and when the pop-up comes up, you just click on the email you used to sign up, and it'll take you right to your home page. And one of the things that we really liked about EDPuzzle was when you're making your account, something you missed was that it asks you to put in your school and your subject area. And what that does is any other teacher from your school that uses EDPuzzle can post their lessons right here. And because you're connected to the school, you'll be able to see their lessons. So right here on the home page, we have students that have selected history as their subject area and have gone to Stockton University. And here's a quick video that they've made talking about whatever lesson they did. So on the left-hand side, you'll have the content. And right down here, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll have different things you can use. So one of the good ones here is YouTube. And for our purposes, we'll type in Abraham Lincoln, and a bunch of videos will pop up. And what we're going to do right here is click on one, and you'll be asked to put a video in, and you can assign it right here. And once you hit play, the video is going to play, and you'll be able to stop it at any point. And at any point, you'll be able to edit. And you'll be able to either crop the video for if there's some parts you don't want to have in there. You could do a voiceover, so you could pause the video, and once the video is paused, you'll be able to talk to your students, different notes, and right here's the quizzes. So right here we can put in a question before the video even starts. Who is Abraham Lincoln? And you'll be able to go over here and put in the choices. You can add choices, select the correct answer. It's a real easy way. It's an interactive learning-based approach, and it can be utilized in a bunch of different things, a bunch of different resources you saw on the left-hand side. So we're going to go back to the home page, and Benito is going to talk to you about the teacher functions.
So, as a teacher, you're able to view your gradebook, which is where all the results from the quizzes that all your students have taken. As you can see, I've already taken one and scored 100% in about 5 minutes. You can also export your gradebook to Microsoft Excel, and you can either open it with Excel default or another file, and you can also save the file if you choose so. And you can also choose to do this automatically when you want to save a file. And then you also have a My Classes tab up here, and this is where you can see all the assignments that you have assigned to your class, the due dates, and all the students that are currently in your class. As you can see, I'm the only one. And this function here is to invite other students. And you can share them the link here through email, and have them insert this code here to join your class. You can also lock your classroom to prevent students from joining the class if need be. And up here you have the class options, and from here you can change the name of the class. You can add a description to your class if you want to. You can generate a new code, like I just did. You can lock students out and in of the class, and you can also delete the class if need be. And from here, you can also go live if you want to, and it works the same as Zoom. You can share your screen through the projector, and have your students open EDPuzzle and go to the class called Instructional Technology, which is the one we have named. And EDPuzzle will keep track of their progress and responses. Also, you have due dates and start dates for your assignments that you have. For the purposes of this video, we had the start date today and the due date on the 24th. Also, you can see what percentage of the video was watched, the grades, and the time spent on each problem. And that's about it for EDPuzzle, and I hope you enjoyed.